Hi guys, welcome to Travel Waka, and on this episode I'll be showing you few tips you can use whenever you visit any hotel, and it's basically simple. Now the first one is always ensure any hotel you stay has a chair, something like this. So now the purpose of this is to guide you against anyone that's trying to open the door. So, and secondly, make sure you double lock the door. Lock it with every option available, and always leave the key in the keep hole, right? So such that when someone is trying to open the door, it gets stuck and the person won't be able to, fully open the door. Now, I'll tell someone to open the door now. Check this out. Now open. As you can see, there is no way the person can actually open the door, even if they have an extra key. So now, those are some of the things you should look out for whenever you visit a hotel. Now, the second one is pretty simple. So, like I've had cases where there are cameras in the room, there are, recording equipment and all. So the first thing you want to do is, once you visit an hotel, ensure you do a scan around, look out for anything at all. So now what I would do is the first thing you want to do is switch off the lights and use your phone camera to scan through the room, and I'm going to do that right now. Now, if I scan through the room, there's going to be a red glare if there's a camera in that room, especially a night vision camera. So this would only happen with a night vision camera. So if there's a camera in the room, as you're scanning around, you're just going to show the glare. Now, again, like as you can see, this is another hotel, and I'm still doing this same chair stuff where always ensure you move the chair close to the door and such that when someone is trying to open the door, they won't be able to open it even if they have an extra key, even if it's an hotel with automatic lock and all. So always do this. Now, the third one, it's pretty simple still. So one thing you should always do is whenever you visit a hotel, check round. Like, you never can tell, just check round, do physical examination. Like, sometimes it gets crazy that you just you just want to be sure that you are 100% safe and you're the only one in the room. Because what if, for example, there's someone already hiding under the bed? So so it could be fun, like, but it could happen. So again, switch off the lights, scan through the room, and ensure you're safe. So that for some hotel, they might not have the kind of chair you see in the first video, but it could just be a sofa. Like, just push it towards the end of the room. Ensure your safety and stay safe. See ya.